Hello everyone. In this video, we explored how to configure execution permissions and assign tasks in BIZUIT. These are essential elements for managing processes secure and efficiently, making sure tasks reach the right people at the right time. We began by discussing execution permissions, which allow us to control who can start each process in BIZUIT. We saw how to assign these permissions to specific roles, such as employees or operations managers, ensuring that only authorized individuals can initiate a process. This setup helps guarantee that each workflow is handled by the right people, preventing unauthorized access. Next, we explored the user interaction activity, which requires human intervention to enter data, approve actions, or make decisions. This step temporarily pauses the workflow until a user provides input, allowing for essential manual validation. We also learned how to assign these tasks to individual users, roles, or groups, and how to apply advanced conditions for more dynamic and flexible task assignment. In the context of task assignment, we also explored how to configure conditional assignments and define response times, or timeouts, for critical tasks. This ensures that, if a user doesn't respond within the set timeframe, the task is automatically reassigned or escalated, preventing delays in the workflow. Additionally, automatic notifications alert assigned users about pending tasks, adding another layer of efficiency to the process. To wrap up, we applied everything we've learned to a practical example in the reimbursement management process. We configured execution permissions, assigned tasks based on roles, and defined escalation rules for specific conditions. This case demonstrated how each element works together to create a complete and reliable workflow. As we've seen, execution permissions and task assignment are powerful tools in BIZUIT to ensure every process flows correctly and securely. By configuring these options properly, we can automate workflows, improve efficiency, and ensure tasks reach the right people. Thank you for joining me in this video series. I hope this explanation has helped you gain a clear understanding of how to manage assignments and permissions in BIZUIT. See you in the next module.